GH enye midin edina na ama ouza na dade dano enfrema beto dra ewo Ghana ha ena me nso ede serve bo se na mo nso menya mo chefa ewo emu ene de ye mampeni na Addo dankwa Akuffo Addo wode ne nsa ahye enkrata ase assign say eye prisoner for wo Ghana prisons emu 808 MP enko fie free ene wo mubusua enkoji wo mani under the Constitution of our nation, Article 72. Now, in some way, the Director General of the Prison Service, Patrick Dako Misa and Wadi Ebetuja, Nawachiremu Essay, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akuffo Addo, upon recommendation of the Prison Service Council and in consultation with the Council of State, has already, in accordance with Article 72, into bracket 1 of the Constitution, granted amnesty to 808 convict prisoners. Na prisoners for ye womwa they see ade omonya ho akwenya enya fawude so metimi akofie enu ombusia akotena womu nya institution bia ewechire nkofo a womu atena prison atese womu mfum so no womu tese da di kan ya womu say the first timers offenders no ene ebiemu so no womu jare pa womu jare anu odin womu hia yarehwe immediately no ena emu 11 ene yeyi womu se womu enkofie ebiemu so no perform the ensemble so I can womu a womu ko enim ewo womu ensiemu very aged people womu so ene abre yeyi womu se womu nkofie no womu busua enkotena na ebiemu so no according to the statements ebeto ejano mampeni ama nkofo bi omo so life imprisonment no for prisoners no omo sesi adan wate womu sentence no eso e about 20 years definite terms na womu a womu serve half of almost sentence no so ebi 783 as they see a day ye womu say womu enkofi first offenders no almost serve almost half sentence and as they see that womu 783 efi Ghana ha Ghana all the regions regions what Ghana has say prisons what has womu fi akofi according to the constitution na emremu emremu say mampeni a what Ghana has say ohun kwan say edubre bia wono akasa de nsa ebe hye nkrata say no ma kwan ama prisoner for a wo hu ni say womu hia ne pardon no obemo mo kwan no matimi akofie no wa pardon wo mo etimi enu wo busua akotena no yi wo mo sentence so efi wo mo so na we no prison for no masters wo nhwe mo so ana prison wardens no wo mo no mo di prisoner for esuban wo mo mabom wo mo di aye esu enyesu ehunu bi ana so mo masakra wo ma dwimu ebi so ebi so no wo mo so a wo ma pa ba wo mo bone for sem na so ma so ma dwen na wo mo dan suba pa edi no wo mo eno wo prison wardens so de kwatum penifo enim se na be ya ye be di wo mo di ebe kan krata na ebre bi ebedu se mampeni ebe hwehwe mu no wa pade wo mo ne du wo mo di be ko se na wo mo so wo mo di betimi aka na mampeni eyibi na presidential pardon na ebi me friend Amnesty no wo bi amom so no metimi akọ efie akọka wo mo buta ana se wo man mu ni niemu na wo metimi aye adwuma akonkan wo ma abrabom na we afi we de wo mampeni na akse akọ dance 808 wo mo draw so pa entamagana for dona eni age ebiom so wo mabo Ghana mampeni abaso se wetimi aye wo mo adoye se ewo ebra ewo anweye mu se because se ano eni se prisons mo no o ma bodompe mo dada te se kwan po ni wa obi benye dikra edi ahome na ya re coronavirus so asate esi entem na tina dodo na frame mampeni se be ya emra na ema no ho kwan se obeyi prisoner for ni bi amoma ko fie no wonfa enye djuma no ena ko Kenya we ama o mampeni so edi ne nsa ahye nkrata ase ama we prisoner for yi bi se wo munti enkofie se na be ya re no krampo ni betimi abrase doma abodompem wo prison so no kra betimi ateso se na be ya re no so enkoye wo yene ewo prison wo Ghana ahafa enemu ni dodo na abo mampeni ene ne cabinet for us just almost oma bomo so pass One to me a yes, I did Edema Ghana. Where if it's sober one was say, well done, Nana. After all, not everyone in prison has done something wrong. Only when he said, you be a war, I bet you fear and why you're burning, and if you send a not a more quiet woman go fear no dear, none the crying also, and one unknown. Where so if it's saint open. Thank you, Nana Addo, for more for you. I only wished COVID-19 didn't finish us all. I only hope COVID-19 doesn't finish us all. And also add Nana Akuffo Addo as the pastor where he a year prisoner for Amwomo Akuffo. Rose Alonso will also say this corona is a blessing to somebody and a curse to others. This shows that no one will understand God. One also add here and no see her corona eba utimi hu ne say aye nhira ama ebimu so aye tese no me kese e wo so a wo mu de wo mu bia enye ye enunti se na Akuffo Addo e de atimi yi eye a prisoner for esa coronavirus no ana so am pade ebimu amomu kofie no eye nhira kese e de mo wo mu a wo manya mo fa wo dia wo de ekofie eno na wo pa kire e wa ase. Joseph Odonkosi say, okay, that's good. Now, how about those who are remaining in the prisons? Are they feeling better? The government doesn't care about them or what? Or are there structures laid for them also? Or also, Ebita say, okay, so when we enya ho kwan, enya mo tie didim no mo timi enya kwan kofia. And wo so maka e wo prison won mo so no. There and aban no e ya form ho. Wo mo so no wo mo pom din e te sen. Wo mo eye ana and I be almost almost same at the same time. I am a penny every engoshire as I know woman jai woman, Sasa Kese woman that prison war as I because the coronavirus no abandoned here and who ways to a free. Leader say this Ghana prison service people are very corrupt. They always bring their brothers and friends on board this serious list for the government to look into and release them. What about those innocent people suffering seriously in there? What about the innocent ones who were taken there by lies? We should be fair in all things. I hope we were fair in this election also, so that other people who are innocent are not left there and the guilty ones taken out. And also there our patch they say one of the empire war born say we list the to my penny anima we yi emunko for say womunko fin. One of the pipe say enkoye a prisoner for penny for one more Adam for womunko for masem and you because a prison for a prison one no and go for guha womu any asem eye ntwa to so ne dia to so emoma kodu ho no ebi so ha o ma sakromaje amomajuma epefe so akonya no kra ebi now because Ghana had the corruption there we bi bia bi to no hu ni say wo bomba say we nkwa de corruption bia enim enye ni pabone for ene yi wo mo say wo mo embre efie we amede echa to efi eye Amanda was say that is good of the president, but I hope that they took it serious in the scrutinizing of the people or the lists that were brought before them. Because Ghana here, I fear everybody. Every leader is to be feared. There is corruption everywhere. There is bribery everywhere. After all, some of these leaders are gang leaders. So they might even have brought up their gangs to be released. Or also, actually, so only say Ghana. In Penifo Dona de a red baku say enumu, they are not to be trusted because a bit more corruption, a didia comojum, womukasa, womani ebia corruption a womb, and see or bomba say man say a year and go for a year you woman, a be acquired gang members. Now only that yet prison and penny for near don't be account next say you won't appear. I'm Robbie name once and some address for Ghana as I bet it's as I've been in Kenya, a woman and one story there, and they won't bump as I then the BNCA, never no quarry and a young penny form the year and go for where the CR day won't appear Adeka, a year won't be for a woman. What's so much me, then no one same as far a year prisoner for or man penny, a you won't appear. Don't be a father or too much GH. Comment session. Meeting Edna Ama Ubuza. Share video way. And be able to subscribe. Emma too much GH. Macramu.